Power is all around us. We've harnessed that power and made it elegant and safe. Introducing Fremo X700, the next generation of portable power stations. Your safety is our top priority. With our advanced battery management system, Fremo won't overcharge, overheat, overcurrent, or short circuit. An extra sturdy aluminum casing means Fremo is ready for any task. The X700's rounded column design packs more battery cells into a smaller space. The folding handle makes it easy to carry. We've put the controls on the top and updated the user interface to give you a beautiful and intuitive user experience. The smart screen always displays the information you want. With 4 regular USB ports, 2 USB-C PD ports, and 2 AC wall outlets, Fremo X700 is compatible with a wide range of devices and appliances. Charge up to 10 devices simultaneously. X700 comes with an arsenal of accessories. Solar panels make for easy and fast charging. Fremo features a detachable flashlight specifically designed for emergency use or going off-grid. Detach quickly and use anywhere you need. The insulated carrier bag doubles as a cooler when you want it. X700 is ushering in a new generation of power stations. With the LiFePO4 battery design and with users in mind, X700 is a reliable, safe, and long-lasting power source. Safety, portability, experience. Powered by Fremo.